Welcome back to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Liempo belly cooked in the oven. And our ingredients are... And the procedure of this recipe is... And now mga cooking ina, after 30 minutes we boiled our liempo, we're going to drain this. Mga cooking ina, look at it, it smells good, our liempo. We drain first this before we're going to put it in the oven or we fry. I prepare to put it in the oven because I try to avoid oil because this is a fatty meat, you know mga cooking ina. Now, this is ready for the oven to make it crunchy, continue cooking, or we fry it. So now, after we drain our liempo for 10 minutes, I'm going to transfer our liempo to our baking plate so that we can put it in the oven, mga cooking ina. And now mga cooking ina, our liempo is ready for our oven for 200 degrees Celsius until our liempo becomes brown and ready for our plating. And our liempo finally is ready, mga cooking ina. Look, it's beautiful. We're going to chop our liempo. I have a big knife. So we do like this. Oops, it's so crunchy. And I have a ready plate here for our liempo. We're going to do like this. This one is optional mga cooking ina. I have a salad to put it in my garnish because my boys like also that while they are eating this one, they can pick up also the salad. You know mga cooking ina, we're happy if our children eat the vegetable as well while they are eating mga fatty food, di ba mga cooking ina, because health is wealth. And then we're going to put this one here for, wow, see? And then in this mga cooking na I'm chopping, I put in this one here. Look, it's so crunchy. Our liempo. My boys like this very much. Wow, it's beautiful mga cooking ina. Last. Wait, it's so crunchy. Oops. It's jumping. See? Look at mga cooking ina. It's beautiful. Our liempo belly. Look, our liempo mga cooking ina. It's look beautiful, di ba? And we're going to make our sauce. Of course, our liempo need a sauce. I use red onion for this. We cut in a minced cut like this. And we're going to put this one here. And we need tomato. Cut like this, also minced cut as well. The onion, it's make me cry. Then we're going to put sugar again. Sugar, half tablespoon of sugar, and then I like to put garlic also in this. I like the smell of the garlic because this is fatty food. So we're going to put garlic. And then we put our garlic there. I have a vinegar. This is a very spicy vinegar. It's a lot of chili. So we do like this, mga cooking ina. And tuyo manchi. This one I'm going to put it too, like this. This is a tuyo with calamansi. You can find this one in Asian market. Mix well our sauce, mga cooking ina. Simple like this. And I'm going to try this, mga cooking ina. So we do like this. Uy, 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 it's look good. I like this. It's look very good, mga cooking ina. So, look, it's juicy, our pork belly. We achieved the very good and perfect texture of our meat, mga cooking ina. And I'm going to dip to our sauce. So, look! You heard that? Very good. It's very good, mga cooking ina. Tasty. Super yummy. And now, thank you for joining me here in my kitchen. Hope you like this recipe and you will try too. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!